Welcome to Cablevision's Neighborhood Journal, Hudson News Edition. I'm Jeff Hennig. There are less than 24 hours to go before residents of Hoboken's 4th Ward head to the polls for a third time in 6 months to elect a council representative. As we hear from Sherry Carabin, the candidates were out making last-minute appearances today to try and swing the vote in their favor.
From knocking on doors.
Hello. Is your mom home?
Yes, he's there.
To delivering a few tasty treats.
There you go. Lollipop. Turkey lollipop.
That's how Hoboken 4th Ward Council candidates Christopher Campos and Don Zimmer were spending their time today.
Everything's all right. Everything is good.
My plan is to reach out to everyone in the 4th Ward and just encourage them to get out and vote tomorrow.
We have momentum going into this election. It feels good. And it's just been a very hard-fought battle. And we're looking forward to tomorrow it being over.
A battle that began quite a while ago. It has included a challenge to Zimmer's June runoff election victory by former Councilman Campos, a fight which ended when she agreed to give up the seat to avoid a court case over questionable absentee ballots. Now both are at it again, hoping to win back their place on the council. On this, the last full day before tomorrow's election, both Campos and Zimmer chose to put at least part of their focus on swaying the ward's seniors.
I'm doing this because I care about the community. That's really where I'm coming from. I want to make sure that we keep the small town feel of Hoboken that we all love. I want to make sure that the people who are born and raised can afford to stay here.
Seniors are a very important population in the 4th Ward. This is the most dynamic ward in all of Hoboken. We have the highest concentration of affordable housing units, senior citizen buildings, and newcomers. And so you have to be mindful of the senior population, not just during elections, but all the time, because they have some very important needs that need to be addressed.
What issues are seniors concerned about?
We want the flooding stopped. We want a lot of things done for Hoboken. Not too many more condos in this because there's so many now. We really haven't got room for much more.
Who's ever's going to do the best for us? Better conditions, whatever's going to happen, whoever does the best for us. What else could we ask?
Have you made a decision one way or another?
Oh, yeah, definitely.
One thing is certain, who she and other ward voters have and will choose won't be a secret for much longer. In Hoboken, this is Sherry Carabin, Neighborhood Journal, Hudson News Edition.